Hey there, 3D printing enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the ELEGOO PLA Filament 1.75mm black 1 kg. If you're looking for high-quality PLA filaments that deliver exceptional printing results, then this is the perfect choice for you. Crafted from premium PLA material, this filament offers a lower melting temperature and ease of use, making it ideal for a wide range of 3D printing projects. Not to mention, it boasts low warp and shrinkage, and it's odorless during printing, resulting in a glossy surface finish that will take your creations to the next level. With a dimensional accuracy of 0.02mm and a 1 kg spool, you can expect much smoother and more stable printing, ensuring that every detail of your design comes out exactly as you intended. And the best part? Its less-tangle and easy-to-use design means you can say goodbye to frustrating snags and line breaks thanks to its neat and orderly winding. But that's not all. This filament is also clog-free and bubble-free, providing superb layer bonding and great fluidity for smooth and stable extrusion. Plus, it's complete dried for 24 hours before packaging and vacuum sealed with desiccants in the bag to protect the filament from moisture, guaranteeing no clogging or bubbling problems. And the cherry on top. Its universal compatibility with most of the common 1.75mm FDM 3D printers on the market, thanks to its high-quality standards in terms of manufacturing accuracy and a small dimensional tolerance of 0.02mm. So if you're ready to take your 3D printing game to the next level, then do yourself a favor and grab the ELEGOO PLA Filament 1.75mm black 1 kg. Trust me, you won't regret it. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this game-changing filament today. Happy printing!